Hey, watch out guys, get ready for the most exciting unboxing ever. Look at this box. It's designed sleekly and features a shiny logo. Oh, WalkerFit M6 Ultra. Let's see what's inside. First up, here's the steel band. It's durable and stylish, suitable for various adventures. And this tool allows us to switch the band quickly. And here's the charger, which powers the watch. Time to turn on the watch. Look at the startup screen. Now let's change the dials. Swipe, tap, and the appearance changes. And here's the health tracker. It monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure. And when exercising, just switch to a sport mode. Whether running, swimming, or working out, this watch is very useful. Can we appreciate the watch's appearance? Every angle looks good. Now, let's change the band. With a quick click and the tool, off it goes. And on with a new look. See, it's easy. And when worn on the wrist, it's not just a watch, it's a fashion item. Alright, now that the watch and phone are connected via Bluetooth, let's have some fun. Check this out, the watch can show the weather. A quick tap and it displays whether it's sunny or rainy today. And get this, it can control your phone's camera. Just look at the watch, hit the shutter and your phone takes pictures. Perfect for group shots or capturing sunsets hands-free. And music lovers, listen up. This watch can control music. No more searching for your phone while jogging. Just swipe or tap and it skips tracks or adjusts the volume.